In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payment on QuickBooks Online. This is an essential skill for anyone handling business finances, and mastering this process will ensure that you can efficiently manage your transactions and cash flow. So let's dive right into it. To get started, we'll need to head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Open up your web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this button will take you to the login page where you'll enter the credentials for your QuickBooks account. For your username, use your registered email address and then type in the corresponding password to access your account. After entering your credentials, another click on the sign in button will get you inside your QuickBooks dashboard. Now that we're logged in, let's proceed to the sales section of QuickBooks, which is crucial for managing invoices and payments. Navigate to the left-hand menu where you'll find a tab labeled Sales. Click on this to open a sub-menu where you'll see an option for Invoices. Selecting this will take you to a comprehensive list of your invoices, displaying any outstanding amounts that require your attention. With the invoice list now visible, you can see which customers owe you payments and how much they still need to pay. Find the specific invoice for which you want to record a payment. Once you've identified the correct invoice, you'll want to select the Receive Payment button. This is where you'll start entering the payment details you've received from your customer. Now it's time to add the payment amount. In the payment screen that appears, you'll notice spaces for entering the amount paid by the customer. It's important to ensure that you input the correct figure to avoid any discrepancies in your financial records. If your customer has paid the full amount, simply enter the total invoice amount. In cases where a partial payment has been made, enter the specific amount received so QuickBooks accurately reflects the balance still owed. After entering the payment details, you'll have the option to select the method of payment. QuickBooks allows you to choose from various payment methods such as cash, check, credit card, or bank transfer. Make sure you select the same payment method that your customer used to maintain accurate and consistent records. With all these details filled in, the final step in the process is to save and send the payment confirmation. In the bottom right corner of the payment window, you'll see the Save and Send button. Click on this to store the payment details in QuickBooks and then automatically generate a receipt to send to your customer. This confirmation is not only professional but also reassures your customer that their payment has been successfully recorded. And just like that, you have successfully recorded and received a payment on QuickBooks Online. Before we wrap up, let's go over a couple of quick tips to ensure smooth sailing in the future. First, always double check your entries before saving to prevent errors in your accounting records. This will help maintain your financial integrity and avoid any potential issues during reconciliation. Secondly, familiarize yourself with QuickBooks reporting features. They can offer insights into your payment patterns and help you forecast future cash flow needs. Being able to swiftly receive and track payments in QuickBooks Online not only aids in maintaining accurate financial records, but also enhances your overall business efficiency. Keeping your accounts organized ensures that your business runs smoothly and allows you to focus on what you do best, growing your enterprise. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching and happy accounting.